Hotel.
Okay. And governor on, increase throttle. Clutch lights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clutch lights is out. And no warning light except clutch lights 1, 2, 3, 4. Clutch lights out. And no warning light except starter on lights and no caution lights. Cabin screen.
So you are accept the hold south of tower, okay?
Hold south of the tower.
Yeah, you are acceptable, okay?
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, Sling 799, Tango Romeo.
Because everybody, you know, go to a helipad.
Right with
easy case, thinking easy case. You are thinking difficult course, okay?
Okay.
That's why you're thinking every time. Depart from Maverick, hold south of tower.
2000.
Okay.
Then you are respond the radio and the response the operation, okay?
Long Beach Tower,
Okay.
78 Mike Bravo.
Pick up.
Maybe much better after pick up.
Okay.
Helicopter 978 Mike Bravo, Long Beach Tower, departure Aeroplex, you're on risk with Warlow approved.
On risk with Warlow approved, 8 Mike Bravo. Long Beach Tower, Helicopter 7680 Hotel, and member request assignment with information Bravo.
Number 7683 Hotel, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Standby, Helicopter 80 Hotel.
See?
Yeah.
We thinking everything, every time thinking a difficult course, okay? Not thinking easy course.
Number 823, turn left, Kilo 3, contact ground, no delay, traffic short final.
Turn left, Kilo 3, contact ground, 823.
Number 53268, runway 26 right. Actually, hold short, runway 26 right. Number 14 uniform, turn left, Kilo 3, contact ground.
Kilo 3 over to ground,
November 268, fly runway heading, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, no delay, traffic on a 1 mile final.
Clear for takeoff, 268.
Now take off.
Yeah.
I think that's why we are waiting.
Standby.
Yeah.
Reason for standby.
Helicopter 40 Hotel, passing to West Coast traffic.
Helicopter 40 Hotel, standby. Helicopter 83 Hotel, departure Maverick, your owners.
Departure at Maverick, reveal Maverick, Helicopter 80 Hotel.
10, boss.
Okay. Take the boat.
Then looking every time, this point.
Yeah.
Then you are let's go to light on ski, anticipate a little bit more, little bit.
Little bit.
But line out the left side crossing.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
024 uniform.
Yeah.
The Aeroplex is requesting at a
See? You anticipate left down. Let's
yeah.
go more. Then forward. Then right down, okay?
Okay, clear.
Every time you pick up, you anticipate more left down.
Okay.
Because you are so much weight. Okay?
Contact tower 119.4.
Continue heading, contact tower 119.4.
Another single Romeo, descent to pattern altitude and extend your downwind.
Descent to pattern altitude and extend downwind 9 Tango Romeo. Oh, my.
Number another Charlie Tango, frequency change approved.
Take the left.
Yeah, attitude. Here, you are looking. Here.
Okay.
That's why today I want
Number
to
5 Alpha
check.
Mike, turn left, Kilo 2, contact ground.
Like that.
Yeah, then inside check. No looking during turn.
Ground, Mike.
Then inside check.
Inside check. Flight check.
Yeah. Every time you are looking the turn,
Okay.
no, front,
Okay.
then check inside. Speed is so much faster. That's why.
Helicopter 8 Mike Bravo, traffic heading to your right is going to be turning southbound, so Cessna altitude indicates 1000.
More backing, another
Looking for
backing.
traffic, A1 Bravo.
Anticipate the next turn, next action.
Next
You have so much
Helicopter
waiting.
83 Hotel Pad 4 to clear to land.
Pad 4 clear to land, helicopter 82 Hotel.
Do not too much waiting. Thinking fast.
Helicopter
Okay.
40 Hotel Pad 3, clear for takeoff.
Little bit to the left.
Helicopter 24 uniform, departure aeroport
Then
runner,
thinking,
and hold south of the
passing,
tower.
30. Next action.
Departure airflex will be my own risk, 24 uniform.
November 722.
See, you are so much late.
Right, clear to land.
Too late in the action.
Okay.
You're thinking next action.
Next action. Okay.
Tower 8 Mike Bravo has traffic.
60 knots.
Descending.
Thank you.
Descending.
Helicopter 8 Mike Bravo, frequency change
Then
approved.
turn.
Frequency change first, thank you.
And not looking. Yeah. Then checking. Yeah, just like that.
Just
The
like
300.
Yeah.
Power. And roll out. You're thinking 3 times checking in the landing spot platform. It's okay. No. One more
Hold on,
time.
which
Then
side again?
checking. Then one more check. Little bit early. Part 3.
Okay.
Now part 3. We are going on part 4.
Pad 4. Yeah. We are pad 4.
No mistake in the solo, okay? Don't.
Number 4883
So much
Long Beach
faster.
Tower.
So much faster.
Yeah.
Slow down. More slow down. Everybody is so much faster. I don't like it.
Okay.
Romeo,
Now,
runway
good.
26 right, clear to land.
If you slow down, you can catch up.
Okay.
910 Romeo.
Now fast. Slow down.
Helicopter 40 Hotel, downwind approved, pad 3, clear to land.
I love it.
Now.
You are so much faster, right?
Okay.
That's why more slow down. You're thinking higher, lower, middle, good. Okay, looking farther. Then looking. Yeah, you have to anticipate. Thinking.
Sinking.
Yep, good, attitude, okay? If your hip settle down, let's go to little bit adjustment. Looking 3. It's okay overshooting.
Okay.
Yeah, anticipate small adjustment. Then left pedal.
Left pedal.
Yeah, no straight, good. And slowly, have to adjustment the altitude and hover.
And hover.
Yep, and then stop.
Helicopter 24 uniform, pad 2, clear to land.
Yeah, your mistake is, based final time.
Fast
Yep.
finder.
Yeah, then final, speed is so much faster.
Okay.
So much slow down, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the hover turn.
Hover turn to the left.
Yes.
Okay. Take clear.
Then do not looking, yes. Then
Ah.
big vision. You are every time looking, that's why helicopter shaking. Good. See? Totally different. Then behind, wind, you have to stop looking. Yep. Then moving.
Then moving.
Yeah, if helicopter speed up, slow down. You anticipate.
Okay.
Helicopter is moving. Don't speed up. Now slow down.
Slow down. More
Yeah.
slow down.
Yeah, slow
Working
down.
pace.
Pedal.
Yeah.
Your action is really, faster, better.
Yeah.
Okay, hover. Okay, hover turn, please.
Hover turn to the light.
Okay.
Take clear.
Okay, 30 check.
Yeah, runway 30 check. No traffic.
Okay, try pattern. Normal, one more time. Normal takeoff, normal landing.
Okay.
November 823, runway 26 right, line up runway, traffic downwind.
Long Beach Tower Helicopter 80 Hotel at pad 4, request left cross traffic.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, clear to takeoff.
What is that?
I don't know.
Say again.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, clear to takeoff.
Clear to take off at pad 4, helicopter 80 Hotel.
See, don't ask me.
Yeah.
Because solo in the US
Yeah.
only.
Yeah, because
Don't
the
ask me.
noise is really
Yep.
very clear.
Okay, don't go. And make a straight line, slide it. You are make a straight line, front of key. Okay, and hover taxi fast.
Hover taxi.
Then, get ATS smoothly far side. Yeah, not rapidly, smoothly. More smoothly.
Hotel 34, 1 Mike Charlie.
Then until 40 knots.
Beach Tower.
Now, 1, 2, 3, 60 knot touch.
I guess you could go 5
Trim
if you
straight. Then 60 knot touch, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
60 knot touch. Yeah, 1, 2, 3,
60
4.
knots altitude.
Good.
Yeah.
Then one more time, 60 knot touch. Now 70 knot touch.
Helicopter 40 Hotel, air taxi approved, taxiway Julie to be met, landing cleared to land. Helicopter 1 Mike Charlie, stand by.
Then before time, you anticipate the direction.
Oh, yeah.
Heading direction. Look. That one. Okay. And turn. Yes, checking. Then, yep. Now, down. See? Every time we're looking. That's why good.
Ah, okay.
Maybe down. That's why no climbing. Still climbing. Turn. Looking. Yep.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, clear to land.
Pad 4, clear to land, Helicopter 83 Hotel.
Do not look down there, you know. 22, right? Until 40.
114 uniform, only short 26 right, kilo 1 for right close.
70 knots.
400. Why?
211 for uniform, Long Beach
Yeah,
Tower.
that's why the US
Stand by, landing traffic.
down